Okay, so welcome back. So, it's another vlogging episode for me. It's a Sunday, so we are here at our roof deck. So ito yung house namin. Quick flex lang. So yeah, this is a mother's gift from my dad to my mom. Obviously, Mother's Day nga. So yun. So unintentionally, it's another episode of me trying out an ube themed food. Kasi last time I had the ubeng episode from Halo Halo Story. So now we would be having a taste test of the limited edition of Lola Nena's ube cheese donut. So I was able to buy this a while ago and earlier this morning after a quick gym workout. Wow! But of course, the first intention was also to buy the triple cheese donuts. But just to give you a quick ayan na siya. Yan na yung triple cheese natin. It's ubos na. Pinakita ko pa sa inyo just to prove na hindi ko first time kumain ng Lola Nenas. Wow! Joke lang. So, yon. But it would be really a first time to try out the limited edition triple cheese donuts. Oh my goodness. Tapos tingnan nyo guys kung gaano ka-stable and pantay itong bench sa roof deck. Excuse me, plants. O, diba, kaya nang i-handle yung walang laman na donut. Tapos naka-side talaga yung tanggal na yung tape. And here, so these are the limited edition ube cheese donuts. Hindi pa siya bawas. So, hindi ko talaga siya titikman. So, for, I think 8 pieces, it's 300 something. I can't remember if it's 336, 339, or 340. Kasi, like, the woman in front of me was like, ate, magkano yung triple cheese donuts nyo? Tapos, sabi niya, pwede ba yung tatluhan lang, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos sabi ko, tagal naman dito at apparently hindi siya pwedeng tatluhan lang. It's, pag per piece, parang it's about 40 pesos. Parang she was making dalawang isip pa if she was gonna buy. And I was like, ate, 1 box, please. Ang one up! So we have to make this fast because it's almost sunset. So maiiba-iba na yung setup ng lights. So we are on a natural lighting. Medyo namumula ako ngayon kasi it's so hot but it's so windy. So yon. We will be trying out na these donuts. So bango. Okay. So yan. Wait, we'll just drop this here. So here, ito siya, ganito siya kalaki. It's about the size of my palm. And it, of course, meron siya ng kanilang signature sugar sa outside. But then it's purple. So it has ube. And, okay. So when you bite it the first time, kindly zoom in. So you would see that there is ube filling inside. So, hindi lang siya yung like the usual ones na yung, like the ones in the pandesals na pagkakagat mo, yung iba cheese lang yung laman or yung iba ube lang yung laman agad. Hanapin natin yung cheese, guys. Saan part kaya yung end ng cheese? Sa kabilang dulo. May naiwan pa. There. There. So, we already found the cheese. So, parang, it's like the same amount nung normal din ng classic cheese donuts. Na meron lang laman na ube. It's more parang lang siyang classic donuts na merong ube flavor na maybe ube filling sa loob. I think, and it's not that sweet, but then for a limited edition variant, it's okay. But it's not like yung i-crave mo siya ng parang biglaan on a daily basis. On a daily basis? Na parang, kailangan kumain ako ng ube cheese donut, ganun. At least it's not that sweet. It's not like super like, guys, you should try it, ganon. You should try it for the sake of just having to try the limited edition one. But maybe not. Don't get the whole box. So I'll just eat this first now. Kagatan ko na eh. But on a good note, I got this naman ng freshly baked siya, so it's still soft. But if given a choice between the old-fashioned donuts na, what is it? The classic donuts and the triple cheese donuts, I would still prefer to order and get their signature, the triple cheese. But yeah, you should try it to, I don't know, maybe prove me wrong. But see, it's so soft. And yun nga, kasi nga bago nga siyang bake. And it's nice. I would still have it with coffee and or tea, but I would still really prefer the triple cheese one. So for the next video, I don't know kung anong ube naman ang ating titikman. No. Oh, also, I'll just have a quick story time with you. So a while ago, while I was preparing for this vlog, no, I was planning on making kulot pa my hair. But then, I had this automatic hair curler pa. But then, kinain niya yung hair ko. Buti na lang I started with sa looban ng hair. So, I had to call out pa my mom to fix it. So, we had to cut some pa of my hair. So, I will be including it in the end part of the video. So, there. For me, this ube cheese donuts is about at least 6/10. It's good for a limited edition, but still go for the triple cheese. So happy weekend, everyone! So I was playing with this Vidal Sassoon na automatic hair curlers. It was a gift from my aunt. Tapos, edi syempre tuwan-tuwa ako. I have long hair. So parang trip kong siyang kulutin. Tapos sa automatic niya, kinain siya ng hair curler. Ang taas mo! Yung hair ko hanggang dito yan sa above, a bit above the chest. So, ayun, I might lose hair.
You have to cut this na. Get scissors spray.
Shucks! Ang dami nun! Ow! Ito ang gift ko sa mom ko. So, last week we had our hair done. We had our roots touched up. Gift ko yun sa kanya.
Scissors, please.
So, we have to cut my hair na. So, yun, I think hindi talaga para sa akin yung pagkulot ng hair. Mom, ano ba?
Pwede pag inon, tapos pinaghayaan mong i-curl niya ulit, tapos mag-release siya.
Hindi nga niya nire-release.
Okay, we have to cut this.
Try mong isaksak ulit.
Hindi na nga, o, tinan mo, o. Ayan.
Jay! You would Here! Oh, you see na may light pa siya doon.
I think you don't have a choice.
Okay then. Don't worry, I'm going to... Can you hear that? Can you hear that? Can you hear that?
So yun, bagong-bago pa naman tong
First
hair curler thingy. Tapos kinain niya yung hair ko. Ah! Pangit!
Makita mo yung side mo.
Oh gosh!
Ang haba, no?
Ang dami!
Hanggang dito kasi talaga yung hair ko.
Your coats!
8 inch? 9?
Ayan,
Will
but
it be
matatago
covered?
naman. Ayan.
Look, look, you have to show this one. There's the hair.
So, yan. Public service announcement to everybody.
No, you have to be careful kasi
Sayang yung hair ko.
nasa na siya.
Nasa loob lahat.
Oh, ewan sa'yo.
So yun, Mom, Happy Mother's Day!
To the rescue. I will do.